Hello guys and welcome back. So we need to fix some few bugs in our game, okay? So let's start from the first one. Okay, so right here, as you know, when we touches the finish line, as you can see, nothing happens, okay? And the reason behind this is that the finish line is unable to detect our car, okay? And also we have this issue in which the player can cheat in the game, okay, because as you can see right here is the finish line, and when we touches it, it can just make the player wins easily, okay. So we need to add some collider right here so that the player doesn't cheat in the game and gets in the reverse gear to finish the game quickly, okay. And also we need to make the finish line deduct the player car, okay. So how we gonna do that is, let's open up this important colliders. As you can see, this is it. This is our finish and lap line. And if we open this script, okay, as you can see on trigger, we end the mission, okay, when the car controller hits it. But it is not deducting the player car. And in order to fix this, let's double click on our first car, and on this car we need to add a box collider. Actually not right here, click on the car one, okay, and add a box collider. When you add it, click on edit, there it is. Let's move it outside. Let me actually disable the gizmos and move this box collider right here. Make sure that it is in front of the car like this. Move it from the back side, and also let's move it outside the ground like this. Okay, so this is the box collider. Now we can copy this box collider component from here. Click on car 2. Okay, so this was car 1, then this is car 2, okay. So on the car 2, let's click on paste component as new, edit it, and as you can see, it is in the front of the car like that. Let's do it for car 3. Select car 3 and click paste component as new, click on edit, here it is. Let's move it a little bit backward like that. That's it, okay. Now if we start the game again, and let's go ahead and cheat. So if we now hits the finish line, as you can see, it shows you win, and we are redirected back to the main menu, okay. Now we want to stop this cheating as well, okay. So in order to stop this, get back right here, and as you know that in the important colliders we have this finish line collider. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna duplicate this and let's name this as stop, okay, and turn on the gizmos, okay, so that we can able to see this collider, okay. And let's move this collider a little bit right here, okay. So now the player can't move back, and also from the stop remove this script and remove his trigger. That's it. Now let's play the game again. Okay, now if we try to move, as you can see, we are unable to move because there is a collider in front of us now. Now we need to race, okay. So now the player will go ahead and race, and you can do the same with your other modes as well. Also, we need to fix these three errors, okay, because it is showing this again and again. And as you know, it is due to this line 94, okay, this line. So what we're gonna do with this is remove this dot max lapse, and right here we will say lab system, then lab system instance equals to find object of type lab system, and if the lab system instance is not equals to null, then in that case what we're gonna do, we're gonna equal the maximum lapse of the car to the lab system instance dot maximum lapse. Okay, that is it. If you save the script, get back right here, and now let's start the game again. You will notice that that error will be gone, as you can see. Okay, so now we have that bugs and they are fixed, and now as you can see, we can normally race in our game. Okay, everything works perfectly fine. We can also pause the game, continue the game, and let's stop the game now. Okay, since our bugs are fixed, let's end this video right here.